Awan samot teng wala. Ano lang?
Bainte uncle. Is it big? Yes or no?
Ay nang bakit na.
It's so big.
Thank you uncle.
Kanay naman kumagatang. Maminsan sa makadalinggaw.
Ito. Nakay.
Oh, natay ni father na biscuit.
Likat.
Classmate kayo. Father na biscuit.
Diyan awan daw.
That's only.
Kanaw.
Father na biscuit.
Wow. Ni father la bistay.
Na biscuit.
They are talking about the priest.
Yay baklo
The
na
dive.
diba?
Wala ang
Okay, okay.
10 pesos. Meron. Yan, may bahay sa blanca.
Oh,
Thank you. Thank you.
okay.
Thank you po. Ba.
Baka mo. Ibawong pa yun, ano na. Pati ibawong gano'n.
Ay, o sige. Mana lang? Dua. Sa pulo mo. Ito.
Pabukbari namin dito.
Awan. Meron pa yan. Dapay. Dapay. Dako naman. Titay ka. Vlog. She's shy. Thank you. Thank you, tita.
Thank you. Okay. Let's buy
Next.
some. Let's buy.
Oh my gosh, 1 minute. What we're gonna buy next? Oh my gosh.
Ma'am! Put it here.
So big. No.
Focus in the place. You focus on the place. Okay.
We're here at the market.
Right
We
now, we bought some garlic and
and onion for, I don't know.
for the ingredients for
Oh.
making a pancit later on. Right now we are going to
buy
Grocery store.
yes,
to buy oil.
sugar and
Oil.
olive oil. Olive yun?
Yes, it's olive oil.
Yes, no.
It is too hot. It's too hot here.
Oh
at
my gosh,
the
2
market.
minutes.
You buy dog food
Yes, later.
later. Dog food.
Come with me. Come with me. And you'll be
We are right here.
okay. We're here at the grocery store. Hi. And sugar.
Sugar. Where is sugar?
Sugar.
This. White.
White. Yeah.
1/4.
Saki. This.
Okay.
Pakita mo. Pay it. So,
I will pay the olive oil.
and wait you there. Outside. Bye-bye.
Yes.
Bye. No. Here. No. We're done. So hot. We will wait for him.